Okay guys, just got my Remarkable 2 tablet in the mail. It took about 7-8 days, so let's take a look. Okay, this this is the tablet, which is very nice. I also ordered another folio, which is the polymer weave gray. And then the third thing, I got the marker. I got the marker plus because I thought it would be nice to have the eraser. It makes it easier to use. I take a lot of notes, and so I thought it would be great to try something like this, which helps me digitize my notes, keep them organized, and make it easier to search for things. So we have something else here. Nope, that's it. That's it. So let's put the box aside. So we have these three things. So let's take a look. I think that's just the box. Okay, so here's the paper tablet. So let's tear it here. Okay. Okay, so this is it. So welcome message on getting a new Remarkable, the quick start guide, and the specs. Oh, this is the charger. It looked like it was going to be another marker, but it's actually the charger. So that's okay. And this is the tablet. Okay, oops, it's on this side. So it comes out like they've made a little envelope out of it. Wow. This looks very sleek. It's comfortable. It's definitely lighter than an iPad. There's a power button somewhere. There it is. There we go. And I also ordered the weave. So let's take a look at the weave while this is starting. Oops. Okay. I wanted a look that would be easier to carry with this. So this is the folio. It's got a feel to it like a fabric. It says it's a polymer weave. Fits that nicely. Very nice on the inside. Assume that's the location where the Remarkable would be. Let's see. Yep, there you go. It's nice. The tablet fits perfectly, as you can see, right up to the edge. There's the space for the charger, and if you pull it, there's a little bit of a magnet right here that lets you connect with the magnets on the Remarkable tablet. Okay, and then let's take a look at the marker plus, which we will need to write with. Okay, very nice packaging, I have to say. It's very, very nice. And this marker is the marker plus, so you can see it's got a little bit of a nib to it. It feels like holding about the same as a pen, as a ballpoint pen. Also has some extra marker tips, which will come in handy. I do wish there was a pocket here, just so you could add maybe the marker tips or a couple of business cards. That would be nice, but anyways, so So let's keep this aside. Let's keep all the boxes aside, and let's see. Screen is unique. So we're going to get started here. Okay.